Hello, friends. Day 2 of my Dollar General penny haul. There was a surprise penny list released on Friday the 9th, and today's the 10th. I went out and visited about 6 stores and I got about 100 items. So I'm really, really happy with what I got. A penny for each of these items. Like, it's thrilling to get like a table full of stuff. And all of this, I have use for it. So I'm pretty excited by that. One thing I do want to say is that 2 items specifically, this Dove shampoo, I had a $2 digital coupon that gave me $2 of overage, and the Levi also had a $2 coupon giving me $2 of overage. So I got these items, which were regular priced. They are not part of it. And I'm just delighted with this haul. When you can get 100 items for like $1, I actually didn't pay that with the overage. If you think about it in the bigger picture, it's just terrific. Everything's getting shrinkflated. The coupon deals are just a little bit more out of pocket lately. So to get all of this, I'm just like over the moon delighted. If you can get out to the Dollar General and try, I mean, it's totally worth your time. The last haul I did was around 1:30 and I was still scoring really big. And a penny for each of these items. Yes, please, and thank you so much. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the UPCs and talk strategy. So to be a really good penny shopper, you really have to be observant. This is a Frozen book for $3, and look at the handle at the very top. Penny. And I found this in the regular aisle with all the coloring books and word searches, that sort of stuff at a store. And it took a little bit of digging, and we have the Trolls, this one as well. And I think I found about 7 at one store, and that's more than enough for Easter baskets. I'm pretty thrilled with that. So definitely, be on the lookout. And these are the ones that penny. And I mean, that's just a fabulous price point. We have this Toy Story sticker book. I mean, how cute is that? It's going to make a really nice addition for a Easter basket. So we're just going to move along with this video. If I start talking about other things than what we're looking at, just know that everything in this video is a cent. And this Papermate 4-pack, found them at the front of the store and in the clearance section on a hang tag. Penny. Absolutely crazy. And it's called Flare by Papermate. The other stationery, all clearance price. Nothing was a penny. And the Believe, which is a Dollar General cosmetic line. A lot of the foundation and lipsticks, you guessed it, a penny. So definitely, if you see bins, scan some of the makeup. Look for the ones that are sealed. And we have the Maybelline Fit Me. I thought there was a digital coupon or something to go with this one, but no. But one store I found a bunch of them, so I was pretty delighted with that. And here is the UPC. If you're having issues scanning, you can always punch in the phone number. And I have a video, guys, I will link at the very end on how to use the Dollar General app to see prices. And if it's ringing up for 0.00, it's a penny at the cash register. We have some hair gel here, and I was shocked to see that this was a penny. I only found this at one store, so I was pretty delighted with that. And Tresemme, the Root Touch Up. This is on clearance everywhere, so I was happy to find more of it. And it was either dark brown or black, the two colors I was finding. And the hair dye that I found today is the Schwarzkopf. Not all of them are part of it, which is really funny. But this one with this lady that looks like Princess Kate. So a scent. I think it does look like Princess Kate, that one. And we have this Metallic by Schwarzkopf. There was one with a blonde lady on the front, and that was like $9. And here it is. A lot of scuttlebutt and talk that there might be a clearance event at the end of the month of February, but we've yet to get a memo. This is the item that had a digital coupon. And I found it right at the front of the store. Here's the UPC. Look for it also in the regular shampoo aisle. You never know where it might be. So this is a cent. We have a $2 coupon. It gives you $1.99 of overage at non-updated stores. So I grabbed something else to pick up the overage. If your store is updated, you just get a free item. The second item that I grabbed in my haul today, giving me overage at a non-updated store, is this Aleve. You guessed it, 1 cent. Here's the UPC. IBOTTA has $1 back, plus there's a digital coupon, which is $2 off, giving me $1.99 of overage. So I just grabbed something in the dollar spot to cover that, 2 items in the dollar spot. But yeah, like, I was just so happy to find one and it attached, and I was like, yay! The Suave Pink Grapefruit. You guessed it, a penny. I wish there was a coupon for this guy, but no such luck. But for a cent for that hand soap, I'll take that. It smells like heaven. Anything with citrus, I absolutely love. We have this Suave Aroma Collection. I was looking at my friend Becca's haul, and that's where I got this idea for that. So it's always good to look on social media at other people, what they're hauling, just so when you walk in the store, you have a better idea of, oh, yeah, that's included and that isn't. This is a tall order. At a very old store, I found 4 of these. It's a very old secret dry spray. I think it's as old as when the building was built. They put that in there, and it's been in the clearance section forever. And I was the only person to scan it around 1 o'clock today. We have this weight loss supplement. It expires in April. So if you have anything that's really expired, the cashiers can always say, we can't sell that to you. But if it isn't expired, you can buy it. So that's the one caveat with penny shopping. And then we have this 5-hour energy. I found a bunch. I actually gave some to another couponer today. And this was amazing. And I found it right at the front of the store. I think I found 8 at one location. So very easy to find. You just find them right at, where they have the registers, that area. The coldies. I don't know where the expiry date is on this box. I looked high and low and I could not find one, but a penny is just fantastic. And moving it along, we have the Summer's Eve. I only found one of these, but I was very grateful to find one. And for a cent, you absolutely can't go wrong. And this also didn't have an expiry date, which was kind of bizarro, but who knows? Maybe it's good forever. And I found another one of these. I was really delighted. One of these shower body powders. In the dead of summer, there's nothing more glorious than body powder. So very happy about that. And moving it along, lots of supplements, and everything was in date. The last store I went to, I found, I think, like 45 items. It was absolutely crazy. I was having fun today on Instagram photographing my haul baskets, and everybody seemed to really enjoy that. And at one point I'm like, do I continue or do I just stop? Because I was tired. Like, I've been going since 7 o'clock this morning, and I tapped out around 1:30. So I was a tired girl, but very happy to stop at that last store and find all this stuff, because I was like, I'm going to just go home, and I would have missed out on 45 pennies. And then we have this essential oil. I think now I'm at a total of 7 of these. So very happy about that. My mom and mother-in-law love this stuff. Now we have some Rexall, which I think is a Canadian company, and this is all-day allergy relief with spring just around the corner. Definitely something I'm going to be using myself, and they had a good expiry date on them. I think like end of the year or something like that. A couple baby items. They have this little double kit, or like it has 3 items: shampoo, a lotion, and the Destin. You guessed it, a penny. And this didn't expire till I think the summertime. So definitely look in the clearance section and in the baby section. And what I will recommend is that a lot of times, a lot of this clearance stuff ends up in those gray totes at the Dollar General. If we are going to have a clearance event in February or March, some of this stuff might end up in the totes. So just keep a mental note of like, hey, do I remember that? Do I not? And that's how a lot of us score, during a clearance event, the penny items. We have this Jergen Rose Lotion. It seems perfect to go in your purse, And then I also found this St. Ives lotion as well, or it's a scrub of some sort. And again, special shout out to my friend Becca. She had this. She just went wee hours of the night last night out looking for pennies, and she found both of these items, and I remembered, and I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to get them. More cold medication. I finally found some daytime for adults, and I found 2 of these bottles. So definitely my mother-in-law, I'm going to share with her because she always likes getting this sort of stuff. And I think both this one expires in 2025, and the other one, this one, the Theraflu. This guy I found in the regular aisle, and I found it at 2 stores. So really pay attention to the label. All of them look identical. And here's the UPC. This one expires in July, and the other ones I found expire in 2025. So really happy about that. And with a lot of these cold medications too, just be wary. Some of them have a thing at checkout. You can only buy up to 2 per customer per day. So yeah, that might be challenging. I think it's dependent on what you're buying. So these liquid cold medications are different than tablets. The only food item I found, I think I found some gum in this, so some light corn syrup, and hey, pennies a price. For a lot of bakers out there, this is a great thing. I think I'm going to give my mother in law one and then donate the rest. And then this was amazing. I found this in the Easter section, and it's these Jelly Belly gums. Penny, so we have the flavor watermelon, and I'm going to show you the UPC here. And they're sugar free, so if you are a gum chewer, definitely load up on this. And the expiry date for this, I think one of them was 2025 and the other one is the summer or the fall of 2024. And this one, which is called Berry Blue, it probably tastes like a Baja Icy from Taco Bell. It's been a couple since I've had one of those. And then a lot of like kids plates. Scan everything and anything in sight. And just be persistent and have a good attitude out there and have a lot of fun with it. And you might meet other penny shoppers. Don't be shy to ask people, what are you finding? And then share your haul. Maybe they'll share some stuff with you, or maybe they won't. Penny shoppers are usually, most of them are really nice, if you approach them in a friendly manner. I wish you guys good luck. I'm going to post the video here of yesterday's video that I did. I think yesterday I found 300. I was just out of control. And then how to use the Dollar General app to scan. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.